Hey, crypto family, hope y'all doing good today. So today we're going to cover a couple articles about crypto, the overall market, and then Twitter with using cryptocurrency and how to avoid scams. So with that, let's go and get started. So first, please like, subscribe if you haven't. Really appreciate all my subscribers. Thank you so much for watching. First article today is going to be about Fidelity, and they're rolling out Bitcoin investing for their 401k plan. Now, I know this is something that's been talked about a while, right? Finally, it's starting to come to the forefront a little bit closer. Not quite there yet. It says Fidelity will soon start allowing eligible individuals to save a portion of their 401k in Bitcoin. The company announced Tuesday employees will only gain access to the option if their employer signs off the option, which Fidelity says will start rolling out mid-2022. So, okay, that's in a couple months, right? Not very far behind or ahead, more so, of us right now. Now, the biggest thing here with Fidelity is they are in charge of trillions of dollars of 401k, okay? A lot of people's retirement plans with Fidelity, they are one of the biggest companies for that, and for them to start allowing Bitcoin investing for 401k is going to create a ton of buy pressure on that. And these are holders, okay? It's not like these people are holding Bitcoin for a year and then dumping it. They're holding it for multiple years because it is for their retirement. So it is going to be a big cash flow and a lot of holders adding to that. So expect to see a lot of wallets, actually, a lot of Bitcoin wallets start to prop up after July of 2022. So definitely something to keep in mind here. There's a quote here. It says, as a leader in digital assets, we're thrilled to be the first to offer employers exposure to Bitcoin for the core lineup of 401ks that reflects our commitment to meeting their evolving needs and our belief in the promise of blockchain technology for the financial industry's future. So again, crazy amount of money going to be coming to Bitcoin and investing in it. So definitely something to see and something I'm very, very excited for. So definitely keep an eye on that when Fidelity does eventually roll this out. Now, next is going to be an article about Brazil and their Senate approving Bitcoin law to regulate cryptocurrencies. So it's a nice day in Brazil as the Senate finally approved the country's first bill aimed at regulating the crypto market. Okay, this is good because it's saying they're ready for that adoption, right? They're ready to regulate it and start introducing it into their economy. It says Brazil's Senate has passed the country's first bill governing cryptocurrencies in a plenary session, which will set the stage for the creation of a regulatory framework for the country's crypto industry. Now, there's a quote here. It says, I want to congratulate the rapporteur of the project, Senator Iraha, for the approval here and the plenary of the Senate for this important bill. Now, I want to reiterate this. This bill is not a law yet, okay? It hasn't been official yet, but it did pass the Senate, okay? It still needs to be routed up to the president for signature, but it did pass the Senate, which is a good first step. It says, quote here, the penalties must be proportionate to the amount of value affected by this type of crime, and they're referring to money laundering and other white-collar crimes committed, okay, and different types of fraud. It says, so whoever committed a crime of US $1 billion causing damage to thousands of people would have a greater penalty than someone who affected less value. So again, it's kind of proportionate there, which in a way, you know, I do see as good. And then scrolling down here, it says regulation is very welcome, and the trend is for Brazil to follow the largest economies in the world and facilitate the mining of these coins on Brazilian soil. So this is big. Again, right now, it says the bill does not appear to face many challenges in the Chamber of Deputies, where it must be approved in a plenary session before being sent to President Bolsonaro before becoming law. So again, it's almost there. So you have a lot of big catalysts coming up again for Bitcoin and crypto, right? Is it going to be a crypto summer? Is it not? That's something that we're going to have to see. But again, going over to the markets real quick. So it is a green day for the markets mostly. Again, not too big of a green, but at least a lot of the coins have halted their down moves and are kind of that sideways up movement right now. Now, if you look at 24 hours here, a lot of the big coins are those move to earn coins, okay? So step in, GMT, this coin has been holding very steadily. Even if you just look at the overall chart here over the last month, you can see here how steady it's been on a steady rise, okay? This coin is definitely gaining a lot of traction, and that move to earn space, it's basically like, okay, you exercise, you move, there's an app and it records it. You got to use these special shoes. And from there, I think the shoes cost $1,000. From there, you're then able to earn, at least I believe, it's up to $50 a day. So definitely some good stuff here. Again, check it out if you haven't. I actually don't hold any. I probably should. But yeah, this I've seen the move to earn space do very well. And on top of that, one thing on Twitter, if you're trying to find like, you know, a new coin that's releasing, you can use the hashtag like move to earn or something similar that's being used. I will be, you know, I want to advise y'all though that a lot of times there is scams that show up at the top because there's people that are bots that are repeatedly, you know, hashtagging this under their scam crypto, and basically it's a lot. You can see a lot of these results are popping up to the top. So be wary of any coin that is, reportedly, multiple times on top, on top, on top. So these coins are more than likely scams, or the owner does have a large portion of them at the start and will dump on you shortly after release. So definitely something to keep in mind. I don't like to use this hashtag necessarily for any of my searches. I really just like to, kind of look around at the different move to earn coins, whether it's on CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, and then from there do more research, look at the coins, look at the dollar symbol. So like I would go for STEPN, I'd go dollar symbol GMT because that's a symbol, right? And then from there, I would see what everyone's mentioning. You could do the latest, or you can do the top mentions, which basically is based off reactions, retweets, and comments, okay? A lot of the top accounts do get these, the highest, basically, replies from that. So hopefully I helped y'all out. Again, some cool news articles, and again, some good stuff for crypto, at least for the temporary time being with the green that we're seeing. So if y'all like this video, again, please like it. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't, and please join my Discord. It's pinned in the comments. It's free. A lot of good community there, a lot of good picks that we're having. There's also a members chat as well if you want to join that for more alpha. So with that, till next time, thanks for watching.